Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Rice trading in Deltaland is easy to solve if you follow these simple steps. Let's find the trade volume quickly and get that answer. First, look at the graph where the world price is $3. At this price, domestic producers only supply 4 million pounds, while consumers actually want 12 million pounds of rice. Since the local demand of 12 million is much higher than the local supply of 4 million, Deltaland faces a shortage. We must fill this gap by bringing an outside rice. Subtracting 4 from 12 gives us a total of 8 million pounds. This means Deltaland must import that amount, making option D our final winner. Well done! Scan now. Avoid rushing to judgment on signs. Trust the given data and check your steps to ensure you pick option D.